What if I told you that every living thing around you, from the tiniest ant to the largest whale, is here because of a powerful, invisible force that has shaped life for billions of years? That force is natural selection. The concept of natural selection was first fully explained by Charles Darwin in the mid-19th centuries. While observing finches on the Galapagos Islands, Darwin noticed that different islands had birds with different beak shapes, perfectly suited to the food sources available. This wasn't a coincidence. It was nature's way of picking who survives and who doesn't. So, what is natural selection? Natural selection happens when well-adapted organisms survive, reproduce, and pass on traits, while less useful traits disappear. Now, all this happens because of factors like variation, competition, and inheritance. Let's understand all with an example. Imagine a group of rabbits living in a snowy region. Most of them are brown, but due to mutation, few grow white fur. Now, this is variation in action, variation in color of the fur. Now, in this snowy environment, resources like food and shelter are limited. Also, predators like foxes are also on the lookout. Because of this, the brown rabbits are easier to spot against the white snow and are more likely to get caught. The white rabbits, on the other hand, blend in better, making them harder to catch. This is where competition comes in. Here, rabbits are competing to survive, and those with traits that help them avoid predators or find food faster are more likely to make it. Now, the white rabbits will have a better chance of survival, and they will have more babies, which may or may not inherit the white fur color. The one who will inherit it will have better chance of survival, and over time, as generations pass, more and more rabbits in the population may have white fur, simply because that trait helped them survive and was passed on. With this example of rabbits, you learned factors of natural selection like variation, competition, and inheritance. And before ending this video, let's clear up a few myths. First, natural selection is not random. Mutations may be random, but selection acts on them with purpose. Second, natural selection also doesn't mean perfection, just good enough to survive and reproduce. And no, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes generations, sometimes millions of years.